Hey, this is Space Monkey TV. We just woke the fuck up, and we got a hot hash brown. We're supposed to share it. Kinda hot. What are you eating, babester? Ooh, that looks kind of better than the hash brown. I kind of want to buy that instead of the hash brown. Hash brown. Then you could eat that hash brown because it's a hot hash brown. I'm gonna need something to drink though. I'm gonna go look at some TikTok talking. Hey.
Hey, awesome.
I think it's hot. So yeah. Okay.
Hate when you do that.
As you can clearly tell, I just woke up. My eyes wasn't had open all the way.
We just took some
so
drugs.
Zara's mom woke us up like fucking 8 something in the morning. Watch this. Hey. Say hi to everybody on YouTube. This is Space Monkey TV, and this is the McDonald's worker that keeps staring at the camera. Oh my god, it's so close to my face. Just hold it. Just hold the button. Oh, it scares me. I'm watching her. Oh, look at Doris. It's in the morning. She's not a morning girl. Oh, I'm not a morning girl. My morning girl. Oh, morning girl.
That video is whack.
Morning girl?
No.
Oh, morning girl. I was about to say there's a real song, Morning Girl. It just came out of nowhere. Commercial. You pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button. I'm gonna do it again. Commercial. I pressed the wrong button again. Wait, is that the button? Is that the button? Okay, now it's gonna be a real commercial. Alright, I just asked for a courtesy cup in McDonald's like 20 minutes ago, and the guy just filled out 3 orders and didn't give me my courtesy cup of ice water. Yeah. He made assumptions. He made ass out of you, not me. Here's computer. Oh, here's about to get the fuck down. I'm going to jump over the counter on my skateboard.
I've never seen a courtesy cup that big
Soldier
before.
boy. Word, that is a kind of big courtesy cup. Yeah, he got scared. That's why. He gave you a small cup. Pretty big.
He got scared.
He got scared because he knew I was going to kick his ass. It's going to fuck that thigh up real good. You really know the whole thing.
No, I just put that on. TV. Recording some stupid shit that's already recorded. Don't copyright us, please. We have no insurance. Okay. Looking at nigga, hole looking at nigga, girl white top, and a toe looking at nigga, right looking at nigga, will you marry me? Side looking at nigga, whoop, go, bird, black lip, looking at nigga, midnight, straight riding down, looking at nigga, pole looking at nigga, down, Atlas Oak, nigga, hole looking at nigga, dick in, booty, dance, looking at nigga, play white, looking at nigga, real cool. first chestnut shot in your back. Looking at nigga, man, this man, no gay. Looking at nigga, and I was at Cool J. Looking at nigga, no, man, I'm done, nigga. I'm done. Can't get good, little boy. Remember me from school? Hell no, you get no love, little boy. I'm done.